Alright, looks like those charcoals are starting to burn down good. Piping hot white. These over here still gotta burn down. They got a late start. Let's see if I'm good on my wood. Yeah. Pecan, baby. Good there. Sun has come on up. Gaming Central will be through those doors, or that door there. Just an absolute beautiful morning, people. Gotta love it. It's a good life.